Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Kusama with Cash App, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Cash App on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your Cash App account. Tap on the Investing tab located at the bottom of the screen. Scroll to find Kusama in the list of available assets. If you cannot find Kusama, tap on Search and type in Kusama. Once you have found Kusama, tap on it to access its page. Here, you will see options to buy or sell. To transfer Kusama, first, you need to tap on the Sell option. Enter the amount of Kusama you wish to transfer. Confirm your selection by tapping Sell again. After the sale is complete, you will receive cash in your Cash App balance. Next, you need to withdraw the cash to transfer Kusama. Tap on the Cash tab at the bottom left corner. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Select your bank account or choose to transfer to another bank. Confirm the withdrawal details. Your cash transfer is now initiated. Keep an eye out for notifications regarding your withdrawal status. Once the cash is available in your bank account, you can use it for other purchases or investments. For security, ensure you have enabled all necessary security features on your Cash App account. You have successfully learned how to transfer Kusama with Cash App. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.